weather isn't as we really expected it to be. We got some rain this morning, but we're gonna make the best of it. We're gonna go in, probably grab a water taxi, head on to main port area, go on Front Street. Sue's gonna try and get a little shopping done. Hopefully it's not a complete washout. Got a little rain. Not entirely that bad. Huge ship. A lot of people in port. A lot of folks standing in line at the Royal Caribbean ship. No idea what that's all about. I mean, a lot of folks standing in line. Could be an excursion or who knows. Looks like they were lining up for an excursion. What do you think, Sue? It shouldn't be too bad. Whoa. A little windy, I'm lost my hat. I don't know. I have no idea what they're waiting for. Got me. Carnival celebration, the Oasis of the Seas. My shift. Definitely out there. And Celebrity Reflection. 4 big ships in port. And sprinkles all day. No port would be complete without Diamonds International. Or that Effie jewelry thing. Try that again with a clear lens. Water taxi rate. Adult $7 round trip, crew members free with valid ID. Children free free. St. Maarten's Port is real easy to navigate. Plenty of places.
Now that we've got our water taxi tickets, it's a real easy walk to where we pick up the water taxi.
Signs pointing the way. This is what we said. She doesn't like being photographed from behind, but she always walks in front of me. Oh, look at this yacht. That's some big time bucks. That's an awesome yacht. Look at that sucker. That's as big as our cruise ship.
All right, that's the way to do it. Now, out of curiosity, how many of you are visiting us from out of town? All right, we got the lake crowd too. Well, my name is Mike. Everybody say hi, Mike.
Hey, Mike.
All right, next to me we have our trusty captain. Everybody say ahoy, captain.
Ahoy, Captain.
Now, folks, a little bit about me. I've been in the cruise industry for...
Water taxi. Water's looking good. It's probably just the rain. Water looks nice, Sue. Back in St. Maarten. Water.
Once you get off the ship, one of the easiest ways to make it into the main shopping areas in Phillipsburg is to take a water taxi. It's $7 for a round trip and it's very convenient. The water taxi drops you off right on boardwalk. So when you get off, you make a left or a right and there's a ton of bars, shopping, all sorts of stuff to occupy your time.
And they hit you as soon as you get off the water taxi.
I know.
It's awesome. And they gotta make a living, right?
Yep.
Oh, Kay's Fine Jeweler, she's still here. Another day in St. Maarten. Oh yeah, I remember hanging out here when we had a torrential downpour a couple of years ago.
This section of St. Maarten is called Boardwalk. Even though we had a bunch of rain earlier this morning, you can see the boardwalk is pretty lively this morning.
Barbecue starting. Yeah, there's plenty of spots.
They are cooking up some dynamite jerk chicken here at Baby Blue. We've eaten here a few times on our trips to St. Maarten. It is outstanding.
I think we are, absolutely. Have a good one.
We love walking on Boardwalk. The smells coming from the restaurants, the barbecues, it's absolutely intoxicating.
Oh yeah. They have barbecue going back there.
This is why we really love visiting St. Maarten. Easy beach access, plus on Boardwalk you have the restaurants, the bars, the barbecue. It's a great port stop. Don't miss it. We're making our way over to Front Street right now, but I couldn't help myself. I just had to go play in the fountain. Sue got a big chuckle out of it. She said it's like traveling with a child.
Guess what we're doing now? Shopping with Sue. Let's find her. First stop in St. Maarten, shopping.
My bright idea of trying to film more episodes of Shopping with Sue in the Caribbean really came to an abrupt halt. Most of the vendors, most of the stores had signs, no video, no photography allowed.
Whiskey bar. Bourbon.
After all the visits we've made to St. Maarten, we've never set foot inside the casino here on Front Street. If you've ever visited, leave us a comment. Let us know what it's like. We'd love to hear.
Really nice. The police have blocked off the street here in Front Street to traffic. Now there's Sue walking in the street again, just like she owns the place. There you go, like you own the place, Susie. Starting to sprinkle again.
This is truly horrible. Guava Berry on Front Street has closed its doors. I always look forward to stopping here when we're in St. Maarten. It's around noontime right now and we're getting a little hungry. We've passed by this place dozens and dozens of times and we've never stopped in, so today's the day we thought we would give it a shot. Pho Ho Chinese restaurant on Front Street. It was really good. Prices were reasonable and the food was delicious. We noticed a lot of cruise ship employees having lunch here as well. So if you have a hankering for Chinese food when you're visiting St. Maarten, this is the place to stop. After we finished our lunch, we continued walking east on Front Street. We made a right by the Diamond Casino, and this led us right back over to Boardwalk. From here, it's a real easy walk to where you pick up the water taxi for your return to the ship. And Sue found time to get some last-second shopping in.
In all the cruise ports are on the go.
We really like the fact that no matter which direction you take when you get off the water taxi, it really doesn't matter. There's always a ton of places to go shopping, eating, grabbing a drink when you're in St. Maarten.
Another one of our favorite haunts we didn't get to today, which I wanted to get to. And next time, we didn't have that much time on the island today. Ship leaves at 4:30, and it's 2 o'clock. And we like getting back on board a little early. Well, time for the reverse trip. Back on the water shuttle. Water taxi. That is just amazing how big Odyssey is. And Celebration's a huge ship.
It really is amazing how big the Oasis class ships are.
Okay, they do have guava berry in the port, but it's just not the same. It's just not the same as being downtown and having one at the shop. Should I get one? Should I get one?
You get all these free drinks at the boat.
I know. I missed. I can't believe they closed. That's heartbreaking. What do you want to do?
Go back.
Go back? Yeah. Oh, I thought you said you wanted to go back onto the island. Yeah. That's what I was talking about, how big Odyssey. It's actually Oasis of the Seas. I'm sorry. Oasis of the Seas. Sweet Caroline. Ba, 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 dum, bum.
Talk about getting a song stuck in your head. That's funny. They had us singing Sweet Caroline on the water taxi back to the port.
These things are enormous. Think of how many rolls of toilet paper on both of these ships. That's amazing.
It'll be a lot.
How many eggs? Gallons of milk? Bottles of beer? Cans of beer, $1 billion ships.